Hey there, Speed Scout family. Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the most iconic vehicles to ever hit the road. Today, we're shining the spotlight on a true heavyweight legend, the Ford LTL 900. This truck was a beast in its prime, known for its incredible durability, raw power, and unmistakable design. Whether you're a trucking enthusiast or just love classic machines, this video is for you. Let's get rolling. The Ford LTL 900 was introduced in the late 1970s as part of Ford's heavy-duty truck lineup. The LTL stands for Long Track Low Tilt, a name that reflected its aerodynamic design for long hauls. Built to compete with brands like Kenworth and Peterbilt, the LTL 900 became a favorite among truckers for its reliability, comfort, and timeless good looks. During an era when trucking was all about power and style, the LTL 900 stood out. Its massive chrome grille, sleek hood design, and iconic dual exhaust stacks made it instantly recognizable on the highway. The Ford LTL 900 wasn't just a workhorse. It was a statement on wheels. Its long nose design wasn't just for looks. It housed powerful engines that could handle the toughest loads. Let's break down its design. A massive chrome front grille, giving it a bold and commanding presence. Cab options with custom paint jobs and aerodynamic additions that made it stand out. The interior, designed with the driver in mind, included ergonomic seats, a spacious sleeper cab, and all the necessary gauges to keep drivers informed. For its time, the LTL 900 was considered one of the most comfortable trucks to drive over long distances, and that's one reason it earned a loyal following. When it came to performance, the Ford LTL 900 delivered on all fronts. It came equipped with a range of Detroit Diesel and Cummins engines, offering up to 600 horsepower. These engines were built for endurance and could handle some of the heaviest hauls across America. The truck featured manual transmissions with up to 18 speeds for ultimate control, air suspension systems providing a smoother ride even on rough roads, fuel efficiency that made it a viable option for long hauls during a time when fuel economy wasn't the biggest priority. The LTL 900 wasn't just a truck, it was a symbol of freedom and adventure for truckers. It was built to dominate America's long highways from coast to coast. Drivers appreciated its smooth handling, excellent visibility, and the raw power under the hood. Truckers who owned the LTL 900 often customized it with chrome accessories, custom paint jobs, and more, making every truck a unique piece of art on the road. It became more than just a machine, it became part of their identity. Despite its popularity, Ford decided to exit the heavy-duty truck market in the late 1990s. The LTL 900 was discontinued, marking the end of an era. Rising competition from brands like Freightliner, Peterbilt, and Kenworth, coupled with changes in the trucking industry, made it difficult for Ford to keep up. But even though the LTL 900 is no longer in production, its legacy lives on in the hearts of truckers and collectors who still preserve and restore these iconic machines. Today, the Ford LTL 900 is a sought-after classic among truck collectors. Restored models can fetch a high price, especially if they're in pristine condition. Enthusiasts love bringing these trucks back to life, preserving a piece of trucking history for future generations. Restorations often include engine upgrades for better performance and emissions, custom paint jobs that honor the truck's classic design, modern touches like updated interiors and sound systems for comfort. The Ford LTL 900 may no longer be on the roads in large numbers, but it remains an icon. It represents an era of trucking where machines were built to last. Drivers took pride in their rigs, and the open road was the ultimate workplace. Whether you're a fan of vintage trucks or just admire engineering excellence, the LTL 900 is a truck that deserves respect. So, what do you think of the Ford LTL 900? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Speed Scout for more deep dives into the greatest vehicles ever made.